Stop handing over your hard-earned savings for a shiny lemon that will break down next week. Buying a used car in the US can feel like walking through a minefield of hidden accidents and rolled-back odometers. If you do not know the signs of a scam, you are just one bad handshake away from losing thousands of dollars. Today, I am showing you the exact steps to verify any car and walk away with a reliable ride. Welcome back to Smart Life. The first thing you must do is check the history of the vehicle before you even leave your house. Never take the seller at their word about the accident history or the title status. Demand a vehicle history report like Carfax or AutoCheck. Look specifically for a branded title, which means the car was once totaled or flooded. If the seller refuses to provide a report or the VIN number, you should walk away immediately. Once you are in front of the car, you need to perform the 5-minute paper towel test. Pull the engine oil dipstick and wipe it on a clean white paper towel. If the oil looks like chocolate milk or has metal sparkles in it, the engine is failing. Also check under the oil cap for a thick white sludge. These are signs of a blown head gasket, which is a $2,000 repair you want to avoid. Next, you must look for signs of hidden bodywork or frame damage. Open every door and the trunk to look for mismatched paint or uneven gaps between the panels. Use a small magnet on the metal fenders to see if it sticks. If the magnet falls off, it means the seller used plastic filler to hide a major dent or rust. You should also look for tiny bubbles under the paint, which is a sign of deep rust that will eventually eat the car. The most important step is the independent inspection. Never rely on a dealership inspection because they are biased toward making the sale. Tell the seller you want to take the car to your own mechanic for a pre-purchase inspection. It usually costs about $100, but it can uncover hidden transmission issues or electrical bugs. If a seller says no to an inspection, they are definitely hiding a major problem. Here is a bonus trick to catch an odometer scam. Look at the wear and tear on the brake pedal and the driver's seat. If the odometer says 30,000 miles but the brake pedal is worn down to the metal, the numbers have been changed. A car with low miles should still look and feel relatively fresh on the inside. Buying used is the smartest way to save money if you know how to play the game. If these tips helped you feel more confident about your next car, hit the like button. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to protect your wallet and live better. Drop a comment and tell me the biggest red flag you have ever seen while car shopping.